When we talk about triangle angles, there is one important fact to remember, and that is every single triangle is going to have three angles. And these three angles will always add up to equal 180 degrees. It does not matter what type of triangle it is. We could have an acute triangle. Its angles are going to add up to 180 degrees. We could have an obtuse triangle. Its angles are going to add up to 180 degrees. We could have an equilateral triangle, and its angles are going to add up to 180 degrees. We can have an isosceles triangle, and its angles are going to add up to 180 degrees. And lastly, we can have a scalene triangle, which could be this one or it could be this one. These could also be scalene if all of their side lengths are different lengths. Scalene cannot be isosceles or equilateral though. But every single one of these types of triangles, their three angles will add up to 180 degrees. So for example, if I draw a triangle, there's my triangle, and I'm just going to make up approximately what I think these angles might be. So we're going to say that this is 85 degrees, and we're going to say that this is 60 degrees, and we want to know what this angle is. So all I would need to do is I would need to take my 180 degrees, because I know that's the total, and then I can subtract off what I know. So when I take off the yellow angle, which is 60 degrees, I'm left with 120 degrees. And then when I take off the red angle, which I know is 85 degrees, that's going to give me, that would be a 10, 11. That tells me that the green angle should be 35 degrees, because that's what's left after I have subtracted off the two angles that I know. So that's the thing that you need to remember about triangles and their angles, is that the interior angles will always add up to 180 degrees. So if you know two of them, you can easily calculate the third one.